exercise 3, we are going to add the domain. So you can run PowerShell as an administrator, either using PowerShell ISE or just the PowerShell, and then you run it. So once you run this, it will add another zone called LODS A358931.1 learn DNS. Okay, now let's check our DNS server. Okay, to check on DNS server, you just open Server Manager, go DNS, right click, and then DNS Manager. So once you open the DNS Manager, you notice that our ODS is already there. Now, after it's completed, after you run, you will see that inside. After it's completed, the next thing is we are going to register this new domain in our Microsoft 365. So to do that, you go to admin.microsoft.com and then go to the setting, domains. So for the convenience, I already open it. Put the domain name there and then use this domain. Okay. Just now I already add the txt entry. Okay, so before this is actually generate a txt entry. So I already add inside this domain. Just right click, add a new records, text entry, create record. Okay, copy and paste the text that they provide. Okay, so I already did just that. This one is so the Microsoft 365 admin from the internet, it can access our DNS and check, oh, we are actually able to enter these informations into our DNS server. It means we are authorized to have that DNS domain name. Okay, now make sure you tick Exchange and Exchange Online Protections. You can scroll down, okay, and notice that I already did the so there is another txt record entry. Okay, this one is the txt value for protections for your mail exchange. Okay, because your mail exchange, once you can put this text file, so it always going to use this DNS that have this entry. Okay, so it will not be able to be redirected by the attacker. Now this is the CNAME record for discovery, auto discovery, and this is your mail exchange server. Okay, so once we have done that, okay, because that's not already verified. After that, we are going to add more DNS record entry. Okay, it is listed over here. Now let's do it from MX record. So we are going to copy this. Okay, notice there's a couple of things that we need to put as an entry. New MX. I need to put it in Notepad. so this one we should leave it blank. Now click OK. We are going to enter the next entry now. Now we are going to add the CNAME. Now we are going to use these points. Okay, then we're going to paste it here and click OK. Now we still need to put auto discover here, and then okay, there you go. Now we need to add another txt record. This one is for the SPF purposes, so we copy and then we add a new record, text. Now we do something similar with the one that we did before, only on the text part, and then done. Okay, so now you have two text entry or txt entry. This is the first one to recognize the DNS. This one is to protect the mail, okay, to verify the mail, the Exchange mail server. Now this one's done. We can minimize this. And continue. Give it some time, okay, since it's checking our DNS server. Notice that it's already ticked, so all your domain setup is complete. Now done. Now let's say you log in as Holly. Holly, it should be with L, I believe. Okay, so for now we leave it as it is. Okay, so mod admin also have a global administrator privilege. So now we are ready to make use of our mail exchange. We are ready to use our domain. Okay, now for now we leave it as it is first. We are going to check our domain again. Okay, so both are healthy. Notice that you can set the other one as a default if you choose to. Let's see. Yep, let's say we are going to use this, the new one that we created, as the default. Okay, so let's say we are not ready to use this yet, this new domain. We can use it later. So, or you want to use it now. Okay, currently this is the default. You can make this into a default. Wait for a while. Okay. Okay, so now notice that the one on Microsoft.com now becomes the default. And that's it for our lab 1. Okay, so we are going to continue with the lab 2 after this, which is minutes, rows and role group.